So the learning the basic and learning the basic task that applicable to real world is a different. The task that applicable to real world, sometimes we have a topo sheet and a topo map, but we does not have a latitude and longitude. But sometimes we have a latitude and longitude, but we have to manage data. How to do it? And we have to add so many data record from Excel to the geospatial data and match the relative data. Sometimes we do the survey and we will get a latitude, longitude and the later data even from a mobile phone or a GPS device, but later we have to add more information to it or have to plot in a ArcGIS. Then how to do it? We will download a satellite images, but later we find there is much time difference, the images are not perfectly matching. Then how to do it? And making a layout is a different, but making a search ready layout, it is a different. And handling a data from the rainfall file or any of a netcdf file, handling, extracting, separating band, getting averaging, average rainfall, or getting process of the netcdf file of any type, getting converting into point, interpolation and everything, or even a running a query builder using a SQL query builder from a ArcGIS. To do the smart work, we have to select a point inside the study area only, we have to eliminate a no data, we have to average, we have to get a drainage. We will use a very small scripts and queries in the raster calculator of ArcGIS and in a attribute table of ArcGIS. Attribute tables SQL, standard query language. It's a very small script that can do the big work. And we also get a data from online resources. So there is a very big difference between the basics and the basic task. Basic will tell you how the software work, but basic task will tell you how to use that software to enable to work with a real life project. So all the basic tasks that are required to do any big project is covered in this course. So this course is a scientifically designed, you can learn from scratch. The theory behind the tool is well covered with the presentations, and practical is also very well explained. So you may have any question, you can ask me in a question answer section also. All tool basic concept, the input and the output, why do you use and what is the reason behind using that option is covered. You can also download the course data before starting of this course. Even if you cannot download the data, it is no problem. Data is all GIS data is available online. It is already explained here. You can get data from the online resources also. So how this course is organized? So this course is divided into the multiple tasks covering the basic and some advanced tasks of GIS. Most of data sources covered in this course focus on the all countries, but some data sources may not be available to all countries, like a ISRO data source and a topo sheet download. So some data you have to manage it.